Let's see how to change the new wallpaper on Windows 11 PC and laptop. Open Settings. Click on Personalization. These are the default wallpapers. If you want to add your downloaded wallpapers, select Wallpaper. Your home screen wallpaper has been changed. You can easily change the wallpaper quick shortcut settings. Select Picture. Right-click. Select Set as Desktop Background. Your wallpaper will change instantly.